you saying yes too much. That was me. I said yes and I could not say no. And if for whatever reason I said no, I felt so guilty and I couldn't understand it. If you're new to the channel, my name is Claire and I'm a transformation coach in not only your life at home, but in business and even AI automations to give you more time and money freedom. So, coming back to the question, do you say yes too often? It was one of my biggest struggles in life. So, how do you say no when you really, really, really want to say no, but you don't want to feel bad? We teach you on this journey on how to become, when you are the soft, loving, caring giver, and you have a business, on how to build boundaries that's really going to send you and your business to the next level. And also in a peace at home. I mean, obviously, that's what we want, right? So, this no word, when we learn how to say it with simple little tools like, no, sorry, I can't help with that, or I'm too busy. And not going down the rabbit hole of justifying, of trying to argue your point, and just short, no, can't help, um, is enough. And how we teach and practice so that you become comfortable with your voice and also so that you can buy back some of your time. You see, what happened with me is I ended up burning out. I could not say no. And with it, I burned out to a point that I just couldn't do it anymore. And this is something we're working on so that you don't have to face these troubles alone. We are going to help you in your way. And then, of course, I built a 21-day cleanse codependence course to help codependent people to do things like build happy boundaries, to be able to say no with love and still feel good about it rather than carrying all this inner guilt that you tend to want to carry with you. So, could you perhaps be a little codependent? And if you are, that's totally okay because we got you covered here at Freedom Hub. Comment below, yes. You just said it, right? Yes. If you want more information about this, or visit our website on freedomhub.io. We look forward to seeing you and we look forward to building you and your business as we go. See you soon.